Hello friends, welcome to my channel, my name's Kim. I show everyone how to properly trade binary options and also show you to the easiest and most profitable strategies for you. Before starting this video, I recommend you to subscribe to my closed Telegram channel where I post free signals with 90% accuracy. Link in the description and we start our trading. So guys, let's start our trading session. All the currency pairs have already been picked out. Today we have OTC currency pairs. You can see that we got almost $2,000 on the balance and I'm gonna make 3,000 out of this and withdraw. Let it be 2,000 and keep the rest for the future trading. Today I'm gonna open $250 position, and what concerns the strategy for today trading is gonna be one of my favorites, the Keltner Channel in combination with the Stochastic. But we should configure the Stochastic first. They set the period 5, the overbought zone will be 70 and the oversold zone will be 30. These settings work well for me and I recommend you to try them as well. Today we'll try to focus on the stochastic behavior and also to take into consideration the Keltner channel. And I think we are gonna success as usual. Let's get started. We have to find the currency pairs. Let's do this. In order to find the best trade entry, let's analyze the market a little bit. Well, so I'm okay with the market situation. I see the potential signals for the future trade entries. Let's open a long position here. Let me explain the principle of trade entry. I will put the workspace. We see that the potential reversal takes place and our support zone is really strong here, and previously the price went up in all the cases. Now we see a little flat here and the candles have these long shadows, and I think the price is very likely to go up, and also the stochastic strips to break out and crossing the mark 30 should happen at any seconds. As we can see, the breakout is happening right now. The price movement enters the inner channels here, so we could expect that, and I'm sure that the breakout is going to be complicated in the end, and our position will be in profits. Yes, and our first position ends up with a profit. Like you see, the pullback that happened, the support zone played out perfectly and we in profits. Let's pick out the next currency pairs for the better trade entry. So we could open here. I'm sure the prices go to the upside, so let's do that. We open our long position and I will explain the principle of trade entry. There are 40 seconds left before the closing of the candle, and I'm fine with this timing. We don't pay much attention to the stochastic now. However, let's consider the stochastic either. Let's point out this level, the level around 50. I guess the price got rejected all the time out of this level, and the stochastic seems to be reversing here. The upward trend prevails. We see the dynamics of the price movement. We have this correction that broke the inner channel. Next we should point out this level. The price pumped up and then a little pullback took place. The price entered the inner channel. The support zone played out at this level, so that's why we opened the long position. And our position is in a profit again. So this 1 minute time frame, look at this perfect timing of our trade entry, guys. Now the stochastic is going down for the fuzzy correction, but we opened correctly. I had noticed that were 40 seconds left before the candle's closing, and I had decided that the trade entry would be the most profitable. And that's exactly what happened. And let's change the currency pair for the better trade entry. Well, I don't see anything so far. However, we can also open a long here. Let's tap on this one. We see this huge correction to the downside. Let's point out the workspace. The stochastic has broken the level 30 and the price should move upwards because the uptrend prevails now and the updating of the local low is happening and the price should go up. I remind you that this is OTC and we shouldn't pay attention to the stochastic all the time. Moreover, we should pay ahead of the market, and OTC is really good for this. We see a very strong correction to the downside of out this resistance zone, and now the price should move to the upside and the position will be closed in profit, guys. There are literally 5 seconds left before the closing of our position and we are gonna be in profits. I like the movement of this candle. We see a long shadow and this one also ends up in profit, guys. Everything is so simple and we in profits right on the same currency pairs, if I am not mistaken, with a nice payout rate, of course. And let's find the next currency pair for the most profitable trade entry. Let's check out what do we have at the beginning. I think we can open a long position here. I will explain the principle of trade entry. We focus on the stochastic here. Nice trade entry. We see the upward trend on the chart. We also understand this smooth price movement at this one. And the movement is also repeated here, but with a small amplitude. Here we point out the support zone. The price broke out of inner channel here, and after this the price held at one level for a movement, and now the price should go to the upside, I guess. Next we see the stochastic is gonna cross the level 30. Actually it already touched it and we see the breakout. There are several seconds left before the closing and this one is also in profits. Good job, guys. We have almost made it up to $3,000, so we reached the market. Brilliant technical analysis, nice trade entry, 1 minute time frame. That's all we need, guys. We are analyzing the situation perfectly. Our analysis is based on the stochastic, the Keltner channel, and basically our position are closed in profit all the time. And let's change the currency pair for the most profitable trade entry. So let's take a look here. We see this very strong dump is happening. Let's take a look at the candles behavior. The support zone is gonna play out here. There we go. The stochastic has crossed the 30 line. Let's wait a little bit. I think we open here on this currency pair, and I think now is the best timing for opening a long position, guys. We are playing ahead of the market, and let's analyze this. Look, we are gonna point out two zones. The first one is here. The price broke this level down, and the second one, the touch of the support zone took place. The price should reverse and start going to the upside. We see a very dynamic price movement is in zone, both the strong pump and strong dump right after, but the uptrend prevails now. The updating of the local low did happen and the price should start going to the upside now. We don't take the stochastic seriously now because we are playing ahead of the market on the 1 minute time frame. and it's not gonna show us anything and on the last seconds I'm expecting to see the breakout. Yep, exactly as I predicted, the breakout is happening and the position should be closed in profit, guys. Very nice. We got $2,800 on our balance. Now we play it out ahead of the market. Doji pattern has formed here, the support zone played out, and the price broke this level down, and probably the price is gonna go lower or go to the upside following the trend direction. But because of the opening on the 1 minute time frame, we actually successed here, and the position was closed in profits. That's why I like trading on the 1 minute time frame, and this strategy helps me a lot. So guys, I recommend to try it out yourself, and let's find the next currency pair for the most profitable trade entry. So let's check out the other currency pairs. So the inner channel price movement is happening here, but actually I have no idea where the trend is gonna be now. Now the flat prevails, so I don't want to open here. I'll look at the strong upward dynamics. So here we could play out the pullback. Let's open a short position here. I will explain the principle to you. We earned the achievement, guys. So look, the price broke out of the inner channel. First of all, we should look at this low volatility of the candles. We understand the dynamics, the price direction, the breakout that happened here, the resistance zone played out here, and I'm sure the price is gonna reverse and start moving to the downside. Don't you see? So let's point out of this zone, then this zone higher, and now in theory this zone a little more higher, and the price should go to the downside. Stochastic also touched the level 70, and we see the reversal. There is no more strong movement here. That's why we open our short position, and like you see, the price started going down nice trade entry level, and there is literally a second left before the closing. And our position in profit, guys, we got 3,100 on our balance. We got 1,400 in profits. I think this is a great outcome. That's exactly what I tried to reach today. Nice trading session on the weekend, guys. You see, it took us several minutes to make 1,400 on OTC, guys. As you see, my strategy in combination with my technical analysis works out perfectly. And let's withdraw our money, guys. I think I will withdraw 3,000 to my Bitcoin wallet. Withdrawal, put down 3,000 here, Bitcoin address, and press continue button. So that's it, our transaction is being processed. There is $100 left on the balance. I think I can multiply this in the next time, and I will attach the screen with the positive transaction as always. Thanks for watching. Don't forget subscribe, like, and to go my closed Telegram channel. We will trade and earn together.